Let's begin installing your B-Swivel in forward-facing mode. Check the height markers. The child's shoulders should be above the middle height marker for forward-facing mode. Lift the lever located under the seat front. Rotate the seat 90 degrees to face you, ensuring it can rotate. Open click tight by pressing the click tight safety button and lifting the lever. Lift out to open. Feed the seatbelt under the seatbelt hooks between rebound bar and click tight. Engage the seatbelt buckle. Ensure there are no twists or slack. Close the click tight. Make sure the indicator is fully green. Once insured, rotate the seat to forward-facing mode. Check the rotation indicator is green. Lengthen the top tether strap. Loop around or through the vehicle headrest and attach the vehicle anchor point. Pull to tighten the top tether. Check the top tether is secured. Ensure there is no slack or twists. Store the extra strap in the pocket. Rotate the SICT anti-clockwise to the preferred door side. For ease of use, rotate the seat towards you for placing the child inside the car seat. Lift the harness adjuster and pull shoulder harness straps to lengthen. Disengage the buckle by pressing the red button. Remove the infant insert. Use the buckle tongue holders to store the harness away. Place the child inside the child seat. Buckle the harness back again and tighten. Rotate the car seat in forward-facing mode. Check the rotation indicator is green. Congratulations, your B-Swivel is now securely installed and ready to go.